Module 6. AI Tools for Business Coaches. To introduce modern AI tools that help coaches work faster, more professionally, and with greater impact. Part 1. Why should a business coach know about AI? In today's competitive world, speed and precision are essential. Whether it's content creation, data analysis, or understanding client behavior, AI can support coaches in every step. Key reasons coaches need AI: save time creating content for social media or website, prepare better for season with pre-analysis of their client, use data to give more accurate and useful feedback, increase the impact of season with a smart note-taking and follow-up. Part 2. Content creation tools for coaches. ChatGPT, the famous one, your all-in-one content assistant, create motivational posts, season exercise, and quick clients response. For example, the coach wants to post daily content on LinkedIn. With the right prompt, ChatGPT can generate 13 days of inspiring posts in minutes. Jasper AI, branded writing with your voice. Help write with a consistent tone in blog, email, and ads. For example, a wellness coach uses Jasper to write calm, emphatic email that match their coaching style. Part 3. Client behavior and personality tools. Crystal knows. Understand your client before the meeting. Analyze LinkedIn profile and gives personality type, communication style, and decision-making insight. For example, a coach preparing for a season with the sales manager check Crystal to learn if the person is result-driven or people-focused. Humatic AI discover hidden motivation, uses behavior to explore deeper fears, value, and desires. For example, a career coach uses Humatic to understanding why a successful client feels stuck or unmotivated. Part 4. AI tools for coaching seasons. DV. Record, summarize, and highlight key moments. Record seasons and auto-generate note with key points. For example, after decision, the coach send a clear summary of task and insight to the client. Add-on video. AI assists during live coaching, real-time note-taking, and topic-based summary during video calls. For example, in group coaching, Fathom separates each client's insight so in the coach and follow up more effectively. Number 5. Growth planning and OKR tools. Nation plus AI all-in-one workspace for a season and progress. Create clients folder with goals, feedback, and action plans. For example, a coach uses Nation to track progress and reflect insights. AI helps suggest next step or summarize key patterns. Perdoo OKR system for teams and executive coaching. Track team and personal goals across coaching programs. For example, while coaching a startup team, the coach uses Perdoo to align session goals with company OKRs. Fireflies AI. Turn audio to text with emotional cues, great for voice session or recording verbal insight. Track goal program and emotional trends, perfect for coaches who check in between sessions. For example, it helps the coach see weekly mood shift or small wins from the client. Part 7. Reflective practice your AI strategy. Ask yourself, which 3 AI tools could improve my coaching session the most? Do I use any tools to record and analyze my session for better results? How can I develop my personal brand tone with help from AI? Finally, remember about AI tools. AI tools mentioned in this video are among the best available at the time of recording, but AI evolve fast, so always stay updated. Explore new tools and adjust your coaching process with the changing tech landscape. In the next video, you call to action. Before we end this course, I want to personally invite you to join me in the final module. The next step, you call to action. This is where we bring everything together. If you have found value in this journey, the last module is where we reflect, recharge, and look forward. I will share how you can continue growing as a coach, stay connected with our platform, and access executive insight. So don't stop here. The next step could be the most important one. Let's take it together.